Hey! Welcome to Manistee News. I'm James, and that's Zach.
Hello.
A few things to touch on today. We had somebody special at the Manistee Saints baseball game this weekend. We're going to touch on hops and props and get a little into the Forest Festival week. Why don't we start with Manistee Saints?
I went to the Saints game. It was super enjoyable. I got to hang out, doubleheader. And guess what? We started the season off 3-0.
That's pretty exciting. Also, it's free, so we should get more people to go into these games.
So chill. We got to we set up our picnic. My family came up. Very relaxing. Got to watch the game. It was great.
I mean, that is pretty cool.
It was very cool to hang out.
I think more people should get. I don't do it enough, and I keep every year. Number one, Manistee Beverage always sponsors the Saints, but every year I'm always like, I got to take the kids to one of these games, and I never make it there.
Yeah, you
and
should
I'm
take
super
the
jealous
kids.
that you took your family.
Yeah, you should definitely take the kids. I mean, we should go sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
Just friends hang out. So it was a great time. We did have a couple high school athletes do really good at state.
Yes, we did. Forgive me, but I'm drawing a blank. I know that
Mateo
from MCC.
MCC did super good.
Yeah, like all state numbers.
Yep, all state numbers. What was her name?
And then we had McCarthy.
Yes.
And McCarthy gal from
Libby.
MHS.
Libby did.
Yep.
Yeah, she did super awesome too.
On the high jump.
On the high jump.
So congratulations to them.
Congratulations to them, absolutely. And I think, was that it?
I think that was it.
I think.
I mean, we had some other people from MCC, but I don't necessarily think that they placed. I could be wrong.
Yeah.
I have to fact check us on that, but.
Yep. Really, that's it for sports. High school sports. We're kind of wrapped up right now until the football season.
Yeah, which is going to be fun for us.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, we'll have film on that. We'll have highlights on that. That's going to be a good time.
Yep.
I'm looking forward to football.
Yeah. Other than that, we'll be covering the Saints.
Because it's super hot outside, dude. Jeez.
It's super hot out.
You know, I'm definitely that person that's like in the wintertime says, I can't wait till spring. And then when spring comes, I'm like, oh, I can't wait till summer. I love summer so much because it's so cold. And now that it's hot, I can't wait till fall.
It's beach weather though.
But it is beach weather.
It's beach weather. Have fun at the beach. Which takes us to 4th of July.
Yes. Forest Festival stuff we touched on briefly last week. I don't have my notes on me, but one of the things that we talked about was the JC's Beach Bash.
Yes.
I believe that I said this was going to be like a full-on party like it has been in years past. Beer tent, stuff like that, but
it's a concert.
it's just a concert.
Go chill at the beach.
Yep.
Have the concert.
Bring your own beverage.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, thanks to the JCs for putting this on again. They're just not doing the beer tent like some of us may remember Aquapalooza and stuff like that. That's not happening.
Mm-hmm.
But bring your own beer, bring your own beverage, and come and enjoy the concert. So thank you to the JCs for putting that on for us.
Do they know who they're getting yet? Band-wise?
I think they do, although I don't.
Okay. I don't either.
But I do think that they have that set up.
I'm sure they'll be releasing that
Right.
soon.
And there's a long list of things that are happening for Forest Festival this year that are going to kind of mirror years past, except no parade.
Yep. Fireworks and I think are they doing the arts and crafts festival thing at all?
Yep. To my knowledge, that stuff is still happening. A lot of the stuff they're still trying to navigate that social distancing, but I think we're going to be able to enjoy something that reminds us of what 4th of July used to be up in Manistee. So as we go forward next year, probably be wide open again. So that's super exciting.
Yeah.
Oh, hops and props.
Oh yeah, that's a fun one.
Thank you. Because I don't think there's anybody at this table that likes craft beer more than me. But Hops and Props is coming back on September 18th, so keep an eye out for some more information on that, more social media on that. If you Hops and Props on Instagram, there's going to be more information coming.
And Facebook too.
Yep. But for sure, it looks like September 18th, and they're working towards getting the vendor list together for that. So much like Suds on the Shore is happening in Ludington. So it's going to be a little bit of a scaled down version of it, but it's important and it's exciting that it's coming back this year. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's definitely at a time of year where the majority of locals in Manistee are going to be able to enjoy it.
We can enjoy it.
Yeah, we can enjoy it.
Yes, we can
for sure.
enjoy it.
I think that kind of rounds it out, bud.
I think it does. I think that's it for tonight.
go to a Saints game, get excited for 4th of July, enjoy your summer, hops and props on the 18th.
Oh, this episode was brought to you by Overall Renovations.
They've got you covered.
They've got you covered.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.